Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating an image poll on YouTube. So if you want to incorporate images into a poll, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Community tab on your channel page, and then you would select the Image Poll option. Go ahead and select that. And at this point, go ahead and select a little icon next to the options in here, and you can locate images on your computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a couple images. And then you would go ahead and type in information in here, and then you can reposition the images as well. Select Save Image. And then once you're done with adding that, you do have to ask the question up here at the top. And you would select Post, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.